Hi everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on teaching fractions effectively in elementary math classrooms. In this video, we are going to discuss why fractions can be challenging for students and why conceptual understanding is so important before moving into procedures and problem solving. Fractions are often considered one of the most difficult math concepts for elementary students because they require learners to think differently about numbers. Up until this point, many students are used to working with whole numbers, where numbers are concrete and predictable. Fractions introduce the idea that numbers can represent parts of a whole, comparisons, and relationships, which can feel abstract to many learners. One common misconception students have is believing that a large denominator means a larger fraction. For example, students may think that 1/8 is larger than 1/4 simply because 8 is greater than 4. This misunderstanding often happens when students rely on whole number thinking, instead of understanding the size of the fractional parts. Another challenge is that students sometimes memorize procedures without understanding what fractions actually represent. They may learn how to shade parts of a shape or solve fraction problems, but they struggle to explain the meaning behind their work. Because of this, it's important for teachers to focus on conceptual understanding through visual models, hands-on activities, and meaningful discussions. Visual representations are especially important when teaching fractions. Tools such as number lines, fraction circles, area models, and digital manipulatives help students see how fractions relate to one another. These models allow learners to explore concepts in an interactive way, rather than simply memorizing rules. Technology can also play an important role in supporting fraction instruction. Digital tools like Desmos or virtual manipulatives provide students with opportunities to manipulate fractions visually and receive immediate feedback. These tools can increase engagement while helping students build deeper understanding. As future educators, it's important to remember that students need opportunities to explore fractions conceptually before moving into more advanced procedures. When instruction emphasizes understanding rather than just memorizing, students are more likely to develop confidence and long-term success in math. In the next video, we will explore specific instructional strategies and digital tools that can support effective fraction instruction in the classroom. Thank you for watching.